This is the full tour of ClientBranch, the system built for coaches, consultants, therapists, speakers, entertainers, and every solo expert who gets paid to show up. Every feature, what it does, and why it matters when you run the business by yourself. If marketing feels overwhelming, here's the secret. There are only 5 moves. Get found, get booked, get paid, stay in touch, and get referred. Every feature you are about to see powers one of those 5 moves. Move 1. Get found. Describe your offer, and the AI drafts a whole landing page in seconds. Build a real multi-page website with your own domain. And the blog writer scores your posts for search as you type, so Google and even AI assistants can find you and recommend you. Then capture leads everywhere. Forms with a real signature field for waivers and intake. Quizzes that trade a fun result for an email address. A chat bubble for your website, and trackable QR codes for flyers and posters in the real world. Every submission becomes a contact, tagged and ready for follow-up. Move 2. Get booked. Send one link, they pick a time, and the system confirms, reminds, and even takes a deposit. It syncs both ways with Google Calendar so you are never double booked. One-on-one sessions, group classes with limited seats, and approval mode when you want the final say. Running a workshop or a show, event pages, free and paid tickets, QR-coded check-in, and wait lists. And the line that matters? No per-ticket fees. Ever. Every attendee becomes a contact, so your next event is easier to fill than the last. Move 3. Get paid. Branded invoices and proposals that clients accept and pay online with deposits on anything. It all runs through your own Stripe account, and every payment logs itself to the client record. No more chasing money by text. Sell sessions, bundles, and merch from a real online store with a cart and secure checkout. Packages show clients what they save, which raises your average sale. And contracts with legal e-signatures come with a ready-made template library, so you look professional and stay protected without another subscription. Move 4. Stay in touch. Every email and text with every client lives in one threaded inbox. You get a real business number right inside the app, compliance handled for you. Texts get read in minutes, and your personal cell stays private. Automations are the honest magic. A lead fills your form at 11 at night and gets a warm reply in seconds, then a polite nudge 2 days later. Most sales take 5 touches, and most owners stop at 1. The machine does the other 4, and email campaigns keep you top of mind with the list you own. Move 5. Get referred. After every appointment marked as showed, the system asks for a review automatically. Happy clients get one-tap links to Google and Facebook. Unhappy ones go to a private feedback form only you see. Your best clients become your sales team. Underneath it all sits the engine room. Every email, text, booking, payment, and note on one client timeline. Smart lists find gold, like everyone who paid last year but has not rebooked. Tasks, a dashboard, staff roles, and desktop alerts the second a lead arrives. And a surprise heavyweight. A complete rentals business for your condo, cabin, or RV lot. Direct bookings with smart pricing, security deposit holds, guest messaging, cleaner scheduling, and calendar sync with Airbnb and VRBO. Fee-free, and the guest list is yours. Pricing is simple. Core at $29 a month gets you booked and paid. Studio at $59 adds automation and selling. Growth at $97 adds the website, blog, and rentals. Every plan starts with a free 15-day trial, and your data is always yours. And ClientBranch ships every single week. Coming next, Facebook and Instagram messages in the same inbox, a social planner, courses and memberships, a referral engine, voice reminders, and a mobile app with push alerts. The roadmap is public, so you always know what is coming. Your next client is already looking for you. Be easy to find, easy to book, easy to pay, and impossible to forget. Start your free 15-day trial today at clientbranch.com.